The 2025 Ferrari Roma epitomizes the Italian marque's dedication to blending performance, elegance, and cutting-edge technology. As a front-engine, rear-wheel drive Grand Tourer, the Roma offers a harmonious fusion of classic Ferrari design elements with modern innovations. Design and exterior. The Roma's design draws inspiration from Ferrari's rich heritage, echoing the aesthetics of iconic models from the 1950s and 1960s. Its sleek silhouette features smooth lines in a minimalist front fascia, characterized by slim LED headlights and a distinctive grille. The long hood and fastback rear profile not only enhance its aerodynamic efficiency but also exude timeless sophistication. Measuring 4,656 mm in length, 1974 mm in width, and 1301 mm in height, the Roma maintains a poised and athletic stance. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the Roma houses a 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering 611 horsepower at 5,750-7,500 RPM and 760 Nm of torque at 3,000–5,750 revolutions per minute. This potent engine is paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, ensuring rapid gear shifts and seamless power delivery. The Roma accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in approximately 3.4 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 320 km/h, embodying Ferrari's commitment to exhilarating performance. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Roma offers a luxurious cabin that seamlessly integrates advanced technology with artisanal craftsmanship. The dual cockpit design separates the driver and passenger zones, emphasizing a driver-centric layout. High-quality materials, including leather upholstery and metal accents, adorn the interior, providing an ambiance of refined opulence. The Roma features a 2+2 seating configuration. However, the rear seats are best suited for short journeys or additional storage, given their limited space. Technology and infotainment. The Roma is equipped with a suite of modern technological features. A centrally mounted 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system offers intuitive access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The digital instrument cluster provides customizable displays, allowing drivers to tailor the information to their preferences. Additionally, the Roma supports smartphone integration, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity on the move. Handling and dynamics. Ferrari has engineered the Roma to deliver an engaging driving experience. The vehicle's lightweight construction, combined with advanced aerodynamics, contributes to its agility and responsiveness. The front mid-engine placement and rear-wheel drive layout ensure balanced weight distribution, enhancing cornering stability. Adaptive suspension systems and selectable drive modes allow drivers to tailor the car's dynamics to various driving conditions, from comfortable cruising to spirited driving. Safety and driver assistance. The Roma incorporates a range of safety and driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, designed to enhance both safety and convenience. Advanced traction and stability control systems work in tandem to maintain optimal grip and control, even under demanding driving scenarios. Customization and personalization. Ferrari offers extensive customization options for the Roma, allowing owners to tailor the vehicle to their individual tastes. Through the tailor-made program, clients can select from a vast array of materials, colors, and finishes, both for the exterior and interior, ensuring a truly bespoke creation that reflects their personal style. Conclusion. The 2025 Ferrari Roma stands as a testament to Ferrari's ability to harmoniously blend tradition with innovation. Its elegant design, potent performance, and luxurious appointments make it a compelling choice for enthusiasts seeking a grand tourer that embodies the essence of Italian automotive artistry.